It's so wonderful to see you. I hope you have a fantastic day. My name is Johnson Maximilian. I am 95 years old, my vision is clear, my mind is clear, and no blood pressure. I have never been sick for 37 years. Do you know the secret? I shared the secret with my granddaughter, and she decided to show you this drink recipe. I have been drinking once every week, all the time. Let's watch how to make this drink. At the end of this video, I will tell you the most important thing. Remember, all the items, lemons, onions, ginger, and honey, are natural. No agrochemicals used to grow them. That is why you see some fungus in the outer layer of the lemon.